Hi guys, in this quick tip I will explain to you how to crop or permanently delete pixels on single layer in Adobe Photoshop without Eraser tool. I will present two methods in this tutorial. The first method is using selection. Ensure that all pixels on a layer are visible. You can do that by pressing Ctrl or Command+T to see free transform handles. Create selection, then invert it as needed. And lastly, hit backspace or delete on your keyboard. The second method is using apply layer mask command. The first step is to create layer mask. I will use selection plus add layer mask button at the bottom of the layers panel. The second step is to right click on layer mask and choose apply layer mask. That will delete all pixels which wasn't visible. Just to mention that both methods are available with pixel-based layers. Do not try to use them with smart object layers, shape layers, fill layers, and so on, because Photoshop will display error message or option will be grayed out. Let me mention another solution, which is Smart Object Layer. Smart Object Layer will keep original data while content on layer will be visually cropped, and you can work only with visible content when, for example, applying some of the Photoshop filters. Thanks for watching and cheers. If you like my videos, please share them with your friends and subscribe to my channel.